Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make Disney Beignets. We'll be using common pantry staples like all-purpose flour, granulated sugar, and active dry yeast. You'll also need warm water, milk, and one large egg to create the perfect dough. And of course, don't forget the butter, a pinch of salt, and plenty of powdered sugar for that iconic finish. These simple ingredients will help us create a magical treat. Now, let's make the dough. First, activate your active dry yeast in 1/2 cup of warm water with a pinch of sugar for 5 minutes. In a separate bowl, combine 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Add the yeast mixture, 1/2 cup of warm milk, 1 large egg, and 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Knead the dough for 5 to 7 minutes until it's smooth and elastic. After kneading, let the dough rest and rise. Place it in a lightly oiled bowl, cover, and proof in a warm spot for about 1 hour, or until doubled in size. Once risen, gently punch down the dough and roll it out on a lightly floured surface to about 1/4 inch thick. Then, using a sharp knife, cut the dough into 2-inch by 2-inch squares. Carefully transfer these squares to a floured baking sheet. The final step is the most exciting: frying. Heat about 3 inches of vegetable oil in a deep pot to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully drop a few Beignet squares into the hot oil, making sure not to overcrowd. Fry them for about 1 to 2 minutes per side until beautifully golden brown and puffed up. Remove with a slotted spoon, drain on paper towels, and then, while still warm, dust generously with powdered sugar. Serve these delicious treats immediately.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.